Hello. All right, now this is another one that we get to have fun with. Two songs with the same name. This is Jefferson Airplane, Somebody to Love. And have you ever seen the movie The Cable Guy? Jim Carrey sang this song at karaoke. He did. It's a very dark comedy. When the truth is found to be lies, and all the joy within you dies, don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Won't you want somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Love. When the garden flowers, baby, are dead, yes, and your mind is so full of red. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Won't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Your eyes, I say, your eyes may look like his. Yeah, but baby, in your head, baby, I'm afraid you don't need where it is. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Won't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. Tears are running down your breast. And your friends, baby, they treat you like a guest. Don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Won't you love somebody to love? You better find somebody to love. That's a Jefferson Airplane. Before they became Jefferson Starship, and then Starship, and then they kind of fizzled out, and then they all went to separate ways. Shame. Everybody fights each other. What happens, Rap? Shut up. I didn't even check the Clipper score today, have I? No, I haven't. You better pray they won, or you're going to die. Thank you very much.